Can you guys hear me all right? Let's test this thing out here. How's that? 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Still got some noise. Welcome to the show. What's going on? Just gonna wait for some people to join. There we go. We're live. Hello, 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 hello. Let's see how we can do this here.
I love you.
Hello, hello, hello. Be right back. Hello, 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 hello. Can you hear me? Can you hear me? Testing 1, 2, 3. What did I do? Hit the wrong button. Hello, hello. Can you hear me? Can you hear me? Oh, it's working. Hello, guys. How you doing today? Thanks for tuning in. If you have any questions, just let us know. We're live in Philippines. We're in a city called Porac, P-O-R-A-C, Porac, Pampanga, in the island of Luzon. Luzon. If you have any questions, just let us know. We could talk about current events, things going on. Hello, guys. How you doing? How's everything today? Let us know where you're tuning in from. What's on your mind? This show is called the Kapampangan Experience, as in Pampanga, Philippines, and it's our experience. Testing 1, 2, 3. We're just checking things out today. This is a test broadcast. Put the headphones on here. Let us know where you're tuning in from, guys. We're in the Philippines. Please tap on the bottom in the chat. Let us know where you're tuning in from. What country, what city, what state. You can also find us on Facebook. It's the Kapampangan Experience. We're also on Instagram, DJ Becoming Kapampangan, and we're on TikTok as well. The Kapampangan Experience and Radio Kapampangan. Where are you tuning in from, guys? Let us know where you're at, what country you're in. It's about 10:38 a.m. here in the Philippines. We're just testing things out today to get ready for some future live shows. Also, we're going to be, if you tune in, if you are subscribed and you're following us, we've got these tickets here. We're going to be giving away. We're going to be giving away raffle tickets. If you're in the Philippines, let us know. You can win up to 8.5 million pesos, which is still a lot of dollars if you're tuning in from the U.S. We're going to be doing trivia questions and different kind of things like that. Please let us know where you're tuning in from. If you want to talk about something or you want some information on something, just let us know. Let's see, how can I do this? Maybe we can play some music somehow here. Less than 1 minute each, I think. All right. How's everybody doing? YouTube does not like when you play music, as long as it's 60 seconds or less. Hello. Please type in the chat. Let us know where you're tuning in from if you don't mind. If you have anything you want to talk about, anything about current events or anything, just let us know. This is a test broadcast. Hello, 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 hello. How you doing, guys? If you can type in the bottom in the chat, let us know where you're tuning in from. That would be great. Let us know if you have anything interesting to talk about. If you have anything about current events or news. Again, we're just testing things out, making sure this is working properly.